Hey guys, during this learning module you'll be studying a biblical passage, but what will be especially unique about this module is where you'll be doing your biblical study. As we've mentioned before in this class, it is of utmost importance for us to understand some of the historical, cultural, and political context of passage to fully understand it. But in many ways, our context also largely shapes how we read and understand a biblical passage. Usually, when we read the Bible, we're in our own homes, at church perhaps, or maybe even in a school classroom. But what would happen if we read God's Word out on the street, so to speak, outside of these normal contexts? How might our physical locations of where we read a text affect how we understand a particular passage? What if we read the Bible in a hospital waiting room, for instance, or in a lobby of a downtown bank, or in the back row of a public bus, or as I am, in a public area at my son's soccer practice? That's what you're going to be doing today, studying a biblical passage out on the street. That's why I'm calling this exercise Word on the Street. The more technical term for this would be dislocated exegesis. Exegesis because you will be doing an in-depth study of a particular biblical passage. Remember, that's what exegesis means, doing an in-depth study. But this is dislocated exegesis because we're intentionally changing the place where we're doing this study. We're leaving the classroom, we're leaving our homes, we're going out of our churches to go to these public places to read and engage the text there to see how that might change how we understand, interpret, and then apply this text. Hey, let's take the Word out to the street and see what happens. Let's have fun with this.